Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to stop your iPhone battery from draining fast. Here are the practical steps to help you stop your iPhone battery from draining fast. First, lower your screen brightness by going to Settings, then Display and Brightness. Reduce the brightness or enable auto brightness, the automatic option for automatic adjustment. Enable low power mode is by going to Settings again, Battery, low power mode to extend battery life by limiting background activity. Turn off background app refresh. Go to Settings, General, Background app refresh, then make sure it is set to off. This stops apps from updating when not in use. Check battery usage by app. Go to Settings again, Battery, then scroll to see battery usage by app to see which apps consume the most power and limit their usage. Disable location services for unnecessary apps. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Location Services, and tap and set apps like App Store to never or while location tracking isn't needed. Turn off push email. Go to Settings again, tap on Mail, go to Accounts, fetch new data, and select manual or extend the fetch interval to save battery. Disable unused notifications. Go to Settings again, Notifications, and turn off notifications for apps like this Alibaba that frequently wake your screen. Use Wi-Fi instead of cellular data when possible. Wi-Fi consumes less power compared to mobile data, especially in low signal areas. Keep your iOS updated. Go to Settings again, General, then Software Update to ensure you have the latest battery efficiency improvements from Apple. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.